Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up these 3 mini tins with the original starters on: Bulbasaur, Charmander and Squirtle. Start with the Bulbasaur. Have a quick look at the tin and then see what's inside. As you can see, there's an artwork of Bulbasaur on the front. If we look on the back, when's it from? It says 2019. So in theory, you'd think it would be possibly Rebel Clash Darkness Ablaze. So open it up and see what's inside. So you have a character card which matches the outside of the tin, a coin which is a Dragonite coin, and you also get 2 packs. You get Vivid Voltage and Darkness Ablaze. Darkness Ablaze is 2019 I think, and Vivid Voltage is 2020. Nope, they're both 2020. In fact, I think Vivid Voltage is 2021. No, 2020. So we'll start with Darkness Ablaze. Chase card, as always in this set, is the Charizard VMAX, and in Vivid Voltage is the Rainbow Pikachu. Also in Vivid Voltage you've got all the amazing rares. So we are starting off with Lightning Energy, Vanillish, Clang, Gothorita, Torchic, Trapinch, Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Carablast, a reverse hollow Ducklet, and the final card is a non-hollow Golurk. Next up is Vivid Voltage, Rayquaza. Alt art would be nice. Alt art, amazing rare would be nice, to be fair. That is a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. I guess water. It is leaf or grass, Kakuna, Moo Moo Cheese, Sableye, Tailo, Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, Zeraora reverse, and the final card is a Jolteon non-hollow. Second tin is the Charmander artwork with the Farfetch'd in the background, and this, yeah, so it's exactly the same, so I'm predicting the same packs. Again, Dragonite character card that matches the tin, Vivid Voltage and Darkness Ablaze. In the same order, start with Darkness. Hopefully the luck will change in this tin. My luck in general. That is a code card. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. We'll guess Lightning. Nope. Darkness, Shilotic, Ursaring, Rose Tower, Kling, Skitty, Pansage, Golett, Vanillite, a reverse hollow Zweilou, and the final card is, at least a hollow Blaziken, Fire Chicken, Vivid Voltage. Come on, give me something good. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Lightning Energy, Krokorok, Aromatic Energy, Garvantula, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot, Shineko, Blitzel, a reverse hollow Moo Moo Cheese, and a non-hollow Crocodile. Last of the 3 tins with a Squirtle and Magikarp in the background. Hopefully we've saved the best till last. Again, character card. And another Dragonite coin. Vivid Voltage. Darkness Ablaze. Fingers crossed. At least a V. It's got to be. That is a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Fire Energy. Vibrava. Gothorita. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Golett. Skitty. Dino. Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. A reverse hollow Paras. And the final card for Darkness Ablaze is a non-hollow Volcarona. Final pack. Vivid Voltage. Hope for some last pack magic. That is your final code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Rocky Helmet. Galvantula. Swallow. Phanpy. Shuppet. Poochyena. Voltorb. Rockruff. Rockruff for reverse. The final card is a Samurott non-hollow. So unfortunately, from the 6 packs that we opened, 3 Darkness and 3 Rebel Clash, the only card that we got really was this Blaziken hollow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.